Hey friends, this is Atif Hope here. Well and welcome to the new update on Dogecoin. Today the price line of Doge has broken out another resistance, and in today's video we will take a look at the next targets, the expected move of Doge. But before moving to the charts, if you are not subscribed to my channel so far, then do subscribe it first. And if you would like to support me at the Patreon, because here I am sharing different trading ideas for you on the daily basis, then you can find a link to join me here in the video's description I have shared. This was my previous analysis that I shared with my members at the Patreon on 14th of December. And on 15th of December, I shared this video with you when the price line was breaking out a resistance of a down channel. And after breakout, it was testing the previous resistance of the channel as a support. And let me show you first this chart, then I'll take you to the live chart to show you what the price line can do next. And here we can see that the price line was breaking out this resistance of the down channel, and our first target was at the first resistance there. We have the resistance here at 27 cents, and we have the next resistance approximately at 34 cents. And this was our stop loss. That was the recent swing low before this breakout. Now, after playing the chart, we can see that the price line moved down, and after moving down, it tested this support. You can see this move within few movements. Now you can see that the price line moved down, tested the support, and now it is moving towards the upside. Now if we move to the daily live time frame chart, this was the channel, and right now you can see that the price line found another resistance here. We had some rejections here, we had another rejection here, we had 1 2 3 4 5 6 rejections here, and now the price line is breaking out this resistance on the daily time frame. Now if we switch to the small time frame on the 4-hourly time frame chart, then here we have the closing above this resistance, and now the price line may move down to retest the previous resistance as a support. Now this resistance line can work as another support, which may prevent the price line to test this key support once again. And now we can expect our targets that I was sharing with you, 27.15 cents, and the final target can be here at 34 cents. 34 cents can be also a very, very strong resistance. We can see that previously, if I place this trend line here, then we can see this level has been working as a very strong resistance here in the month of August. And even before that, this level has been working as a strong resistance and sometime as a support. Right now, it can again work as a strong resistance for the price line, and it can be also a key resistance for a next big move. So this was the update so far. I hope that you have liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more ideas, you can also support me at the Patreon, because here I'm sharing different trading ideas for you on the daily basis, and you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.